Getting refund from trip.com. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get refund from trip.com. So let's get started. First, open the trip.com application and log into your account. Then go to the My Trip section to view all your bookings. Now select your booking, find the booking you want to cancel, tap it open, booking details, click cancel booking. Now check the refund policy. Some hotels are non-refundable while others offer full or partial refunds within a specific time frame. Click View Cancellation Policy to confirm your eligibility. Then submit cancellation, choose the reason for cancellation, press submit to confirm. You can also track your refund, check the refund status in your trip.com account. Refunds usually take 1 working day to process depending on your payment method and bank processing times. Always review the hotel's cancellation policy before booking to avoid non-refundable charges. So that's all. That's how you will be able to do it.